Hello there. Today we are going to be talking about our natural red henna dye. Natural red contains just pure henna or lawsonia inermis. Before mixing the henna, ensure your hair is clean and dry. Depending on your hair length, you may need to use the entire packet. The suggested measurements can be found in the description box. After cutting open the packet, pour the dry powder into a non-metallic bowl. We used a glass bowl. Also be sure to use plastic or wooden utensils. After the desired amount has been poured, you can slowly add in the liquid. We used black brewed coffee to help deepen the color. You can also use distilled water or black tea. It is your preference. The reason why it's important to add the liquid gradually is that you need to thoroughly mix the henna. The henna will need to be a cake or pancake batter consistency when it's complete. So keep stirring until the henna has a smooth texture. It can take several minutes of stirring for the mixture to be the correct consistency. If you are wanting to enhance the scent of the henna, you can add in a few drops of essential oil. We recommend adding in Lavender Essential Oil. The lavender is great for enhancing the color as well. You can find the Lavender Essential Oil on our website. Just go to www.thehennaguys.com and search Lavender Essential Oil in the search bar. Once you have achieved the proper consistency, go ahead and cover the henna. The henna will need about 8 to 10 hours to complete the dye release process. If needed, you can mix the henna and leave it overnight. After that 8 to 10 hour time has passed, uncover the henna and stir it. During that time, the henna has oxidized a little bit, so the stirring helps just get everything back together. After the additional stir, the henna is now ready to be applied to your hair. Separate your hair into sections, apply the henna from the roots and move down to the ends. Ensure that the henna has thoroughly coated each strand of your hair. Once your hair is covered with the henna, place a shower cap over your hair and leave on for 3 hours. After the 3-hour time, rinse with cool water and conditioner. You will want to avoid using any shampoo for at least 48 hours. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and follow us on social media.